Just thinking about institutional crypto infrastructure, I think we have to admit that a lot of institutions already started building it. We saw a lot of very interesting presentations from fintechs, startups in that field that bring very good technology into that market. But also on the other side, we see that a lot of significant players all around the globe are already working on exactly building that infrastructure to build what they need in order to access that market. This is just a view on exchanges and CSDs. Honestly, we have not updated that for a couple of months now, but still, you get the impression. You see big names such as DTCC, Deutsche Börse, of course, SDX, one of the very well-progressed projects in Europe, the SGX, SET in Thailand. And this is just the view of CSDs and exchanges that already build infrastructure to issue and settle digital assets. On the other side, we also have commercial banks that already started looking into that, such as HSBC, but also German banks that already did transactions using DLT, for example, for promissory loans, syndicated loans, commercial papers. And we see that they are actively shaping this environment and capital markets.